Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting the entire numbered list you want to change. Open the Home tab and go to the Paragraph group. Click the Numbering drop-down and choose No Numbering to remove list markers. If numbers persist, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to apply the normal style and clear paragraph-level numbering. To remove any remaining direct formatting, press Ctrl plus Space to clear character formatting, and then press Ctrl plus Q to reset paragraph formatting to the style definition. To remove page numbers, double-click the header or footer to enter edit mode. Click page number in the header and footer group and choose Remove Page Numbers to delete automatic numbering. If page numbers differ by section, navigate to the target section and click Link to Previous to unlink headers. Then delete the visible page number from the header or footer in that section. Finally, close header and footer view to return to normal editing and confirm all unwanted numbers are gone. Captions and automatic fields require unlinking or editing to remove numbers correctly. Select a caption or field and press Ctrl plus Shift plus F9 to convert the field to static text, then edit or delete the number. For caption label sequences, open the References tab and edit or remove the caption label to stop numbering for that label. To remove numbering from headings used by outlines, open Multilevel List, choose Define New Multilevel List, and reset levels to none or adjust numbering to stop automatic numbering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.